In this video, I will talk about the refactor. So we just did it in the previous video, but I want to redo it because I want to create a video about it only. In this way, you will be able to find the refactor video easily when you come back if you need to find it again. So what we did, we used the refactor to create a center widget. So this have wrapped the text widget with the center. If you click on it, you can do something else cool called refactor, and you can say remove this widget. Boom! Flutter will handle everything for you, and it will remove this center widget. You just need to put back the const, and you can auto reload. This will put back the text at the top left corner. Let's do it again. Try it by yourself first, pause this video, and try to refactor the text widget with the center widget. I will do it with you right now because you should have pause. Refactor, you just right click, you say refactor or Ctrl-Shift-R, and then you wrap with the center. But I will use something different this time. I will say wrap with a widget. So this means you can wrap with anything. And then obviously we will use the widget, call it center. That's it. So it's the same thing that we have done, but by using the wrap with a widget. So this is what we call the refactor. I will put my comma between two parentheses, bracket, and I will format document. I will make sure to put my const before the center, and that's it. So this video was about the refactor, and now you have it inside your library and you can find the video easily. That's it for this one. See you in the next video. Bye.